Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we'll be solving the problem number fourth one in exercise 1.4. Okay. Previously, we had completed first problem. The video link is in the description box below. Do check it out. And second one, this problem is same as of example 1.11. If you check out example 1.11, you'll be able to solve this problem. This is exactly same. The concept, everything is same. Do check it out. Example 1.11. Okay. And third also is this problem also same, but a little difference is there. That is ordered pair is given. Okay. Directly ordered pair is given. So here we have to find out. We have to represent the function in form of arrow diagram and table form and a graph. Okay, this is all about second and third problem. For this two second and third problem, the reference is example 1.11. And now we'll be solving the problem fourth one. Okay, show that the function f colon n tends to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not on 2. Here function is given. What is function? N belongs to n tends to n. Okay, and also formula f of x is equal to x by minus 1. Here we need to check out whether this function is one-to-one function or on one-to-one function but not onto function. Okay. Here what is one-to-one function? One-to-one function means in first set of elements should have the relation. That should be unique. Okay, that is one-to-one. But onto means second set of elements should have the relation. This is the difference between one-to-one and onto. In general, one-to-one means first set of elements should have the relation that should be unique. And onto means second set of elements should have all the elements should have the relation. Okay, this is all about onto. Here we are going to check whether this function is one. Yes, here we are going to show this function is one-to-one function but not onto function. Okay, here now we can see the solution. Here I have written the question. Show that the function f colon n tends to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not on 2. Okay, now we can write the solution. For solution, I have to write the given data first. Okay, here what is given? F colon n tends to n. Okay, here what is given? N means natural numbers. Natural numbers will be starting from 0. Sorry. Natural numbers will be starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on. Okay, here this natural number represent first set of element. This natural number represents second set of element. So just we can take first set as A. Okay, A. And second set as B. Here, what are the elements we have? Here, natural numbers. Okay, in A and also B, we have natural numbers. So in A, we'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will go. Okay, Same here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is explicitly given, okay? But we need to define the relation. According to the relation only, we will be able to find out whether it is one-to-one or on-to. Okay? Here, we need to find out the relation. What is given in the question? F of x. This is the formula is given, right? So here, we are going to apply the values for x. Initially, we will be applying 1, then 2, after that 3, and goes on. Okay, we are going to apply the values x one by one in this formula. So by that, f of 1, what will be getting? 2 into, in place of x, we need to apply number 1. Okay, 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, what is given? F of 1 is 1. Okay, we are providing input as 1 and getting the output as 1. So the relation is 1 here, 1 will be related to 1. Okay, next we need to apply the value for x. Apply the value will be 2. Okay, if you are applying number 2 for x, will be getting 2 into 2 minus 1. Then what would be the answer? 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Here we are applying the input is 2, output is 3. Okay, so we have to relate 2 with 3. Okay, and next value of x will be 3. So what would be the answer? 2 into 3. 2 into 3, how much? 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, so input is 3, output is 5. So here from 3 we have to relate 5. Okay, this is function, or else we can say relation. So we'll be getting all the values for a here. If you are applying 4 for x, next we'll be getting one answer, and if you are applying 5 for x, we'll be getting one answer. Here till 5 we have written. So I think this is enough. Why? Because if you, whatever values we are applying for x, we'll be getting particular answer. Okay, so okay, no problem, we can find out 4 and 5 also. F of 4 and f of 5. Okay, f of 4 and f of 5. F of 4 means 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, and f of 5, what will be getting? 2 into 5. 2 into 5 equal 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Okay, now we are going to write here what is input? 4, 4 is input, 7 is output. Here we have 4, right? Here already automatically we'll be having 7, but we didn't write, but the values will be coming in because it's natural numbers. Okay, so I am going to include that also. So what would be the answer? Here we have till 10, right? So here I have included all the numbers till 9. Okay, so here for 4, what is the output? For 4, output is 7. For 5, output is 9. Okay, whatever, how much values we are added in this A will be getting particular answer. Okay. But here in B, some elements are not connected, not linked to another elements of A, right? But in A, all the elements are connected, but not B. Okay. Here we don't have the relation for 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now we have to check whether it is one-to-one relation, one-to-one function or not. One-to-one function means what? Already I have said, as I said, in first set of elements should have the relation. Here we have the relation, right? Everything is unique. What is the concept of onto function? Onto function means if particular function is onto means the second set of elements should have the relation. Okay. Here some of the elements are not having the relation, so that this function is not onto function. Okay, but exactly one to one function. So already we had shown that this function is one to one function but not onto. Okay, this is all about exercise for the problem in exercise number 1.4. Okay, so and now we can see the next one. Here we are fifth problem. Okay, show that the function f colon n tends to n defined by f of m equal to m square plus m plus 3 is one to one function. Okay, this problem also the same as of this fourth one. Okay, if you understand this fourth problem, you'll be able to solve this fifth also. Just try it out. The same concept. Try it out. You'll get the answer. Okay. We can see another question in another video. This much I had in this video. We'll see in another video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. Bye. Thanks for listening.